Hello, and welcome to this overview of qualitative research designs. Qualitative research is an approach to exploring and understanding human experiences, perspectives, and behaviors. In this video, we'll explore 4 key qualitative research designs and provide examples within the context of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Case study. Let's start with case study research. Case study research is an in-depth exploration of an individual, group, or event. This research design is used to gain an understanding of the complexity of a particular phenomenon. For example, in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, a case study of Iron Man's character arc could explore his transformation from a self-centered industrialist to a selfless hero. Ethnography. Next, we have ethnography. Ethnography is a research design that focuses on studying a particular culture or community. This design allows researchers to understand the people's experiences, perspectives, and behaviors within that culture or society. For example, an ethnographic study of the Avengers in the Marvel Cinematic Universe could explore the team's dynamics, norms, and values as they work together to save the world. Content analysis. Third, we have content analysis. Content analysis is a research design that involves analyzing and interpreting a particular text or set of texts. This design is used to understand the themes, patterns, and messages present in the text. For example, a content analysis of the Marvel Cinematic Universe could explore how different storylines and characters have developed over time and how these changes have contributed to the overall narrative. Phenomenological study. Finally, we have a phenomenological study. A phenomenological study is a research design that focuses on the subjective experiences of individuals. This design allows researchers to understand how individuals perceive and experience a particular phenomenon. For example, a phenomenological study of the Marvel Cinematic Universe fans could explore their emotional responses to different events and characters within the films. Grounded theory. Grounded theory is a research design that generates theories based on data collected through observation and interaction with participants. This design allows researchers to understand complex phenomena by exploring how they develop and change over time. For example, a grounded theory study of the Marvel Cinematic Universe could explore how different storylines and characters have evolved and how these changes have contributed to the overall narrative. Conclusion. And that's a quick overview of 4 key qualitative research designs: case study, ethnography, content analysis, phenomenological study, and grounded theory. Each of these designs offers a unique approach to exploring and understanding human experiences, perspectives, and behaviors, and can provide valuable insights into complex phenomena. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has provided you with a useful introduction to qualitative research designs. If you'd like to learn more, check out some available resources. And if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching!